In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel an auto renewal payment on GoDaddy.com. Whether you're managing your domains, hosting plans, or other products, knowing how to stop automatic payments can help you keep control over your subscriptions and budgeting. Let's dive right in and walk you through the process. First, you'll want to start by visiting the GoDaddy website. You can do this by opening your browser and going to the GoDaddy homepage. Once there, you're going to need to sign in to your account. Look in the upper right-hand corner of the page and you'll see an option to sign in. Click on that to get started. After clicking sign in, you'll be prompted to enter your login details. This usually involves your email and password associated with your GoDaddy account. Go ahead and fill those in and then click the sign in button again. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to your account dashboard. Now on the dashboard, you'll want to locate your profile icon, which is found at the top right hand corner of the screen. Clicking on this will present you with a drop down menu where you'll see the option for renewals and billing. Click on it to proceed. This is where all your subscription information is managed, making it the heart of your GoDaddy account activity. You'll now see a list of your domains and products. Simply scroll through to find the specific domain or product for which you want to cancel the automatic renewal. When you've identified it, the next step involves a bit of navigation. Look for the three-dot button located next to your product. Clicking this will open several additional options. Among these options, select Turn Off Auto Renew. Clicking this tells GoDaddy you don't want the service to renew automatically. You might see a confirmation pop-up come up to finalize this decision. This is just GoDaddy's way of confirming your choice, so don't hesitate to confirm once again by choosing Cancel Renewal if prompted. If, for any reason, after pausing auto renewal, you decide that you want to turn it back on, you can always go back to the three-dot menu next to your product. There you will see an option to turn on auto renew. Confirming will reactivate auto renewal for that specific product. And that's it. You've successfully navigated through turning off and then turning back on the auto renewal feature on GoDaddy. Remember, managing your subscriptions effectively can save you from unwanted charges or lapses in service, ensuring your web services run smoothly and stay active to meet your needs. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more. Have a great day managing your online domains and services.